Did you know that it's possible to run HTML files using Visual Studio Code? Let's get started. So firstly, click on Extensions button or press Ctrl-Shift-X. Now in search bar you can search extensions in Marketplace. So type here Open in Browser. Now click on the first Visual Studio Code extension called Open in Browser. As you can see, this extension allows you to open the current file in your default browser or application. What is interesting is that this extension was installed almost 9 million times, so it's pretty popular extension. Now click on Install button to install this extension. As you can see, the extension has been installed. Now we can close the Open in Browser tab and also this extensions list. Then we have to make a new HTML file in our project folder to test our extension. So click on Create a New File button. I will name it New Project.html. Now we can add a basic HTML template to our new page. So press exclamation mark and then press Enter. As you can see, the basic HTML structure was added. Now in order to display something on our new page, write My New Page in the title element. And in body section write, let's say, Welcome. Then click on File tab on the upper left corner and choose Save option. So now our HTML file is saved and we can run HTML files simply here from Visual Studio Code. Now you have 3 methods how to run HTML files here. Firstly, you can right-click anywhere on the code section and choose Open in Default Browser option. The second option is clicking on the File in Explorer section and choosing Open in Default Browser option. And third and simplest option is just pressing Alt+B on your keyboard. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.